Hello everybody and welcome back to another room tour on Carousel of Douglas. This time we're looking at a deluxe studio at Old Key West. Alright, here comes the tour. We are on Building 38, Room 16 on the ground floor, a ground floor studio.
Can I help you?
Gotta love having the wife answer the door. All right, so as we walk in, first thing we noticed are two queen-size beds. Very nice. Chest of drawers with lots of space and the new USB plugs. Gotta love those. Ooh, I like the artwork on the wall of floaties, shipping floaties. Beds look nice and comfy. And these are the beds, these are the new ones that have the space underneath them for storage, which is always nice, especially since we have all this luggage because we're here for an extended stay. Also like this art on the wall, Magic Kingdom. Must be from the actual Old Key West, which is pretty cool. I like that. And over here we have our corner porch. This is a feature of the studios of Old Key West. Nice and easy to get out here. Unlike some other porches, ours faces like a bamboo forest, which is pretty nice. Means we won't have people since we're on the ground floor, we won't have people creeping on us out here, but we got plenty of room out on this porch too if we want to sit. Independent light, which you don't get in a lot of these places. As you can see, we have a little table and chair set with a light, which is another unusual feature. We had that in the Bay Lake Tower. You should check out that room tour, but instead of a Murphy bed, they have a table and chair in place of that. So there's only 4 people who can sleep in these rooms instead of the 5 that can sleep in others. One of the things I do appreciate is the Smart TV that welcomes you home. Love it. Playing a little bit of smooth jazz. Over here, we have the kitchenette. Kitchenette comes fully equipped: toaster, coffee maker, ice bucket, microwave, storage, basin sink, and small fridge, and a little bit of under sink storage, which is where you find your extras like your paper towels. You also are supplied with some cups as well as some paper plates. And over here, we have a little closet where our vacuums are. Looks like we have 2 here. And we have a little wall safe as well. Ironing board, a little bit of extra space. Always very nice. And then finally, the bathroom. Some nice art over the commode. A single sink, not really my favorite. I wish they would do more double sinks in the Disney hotels. One thing I do like about this one over the Bay Lake Tower is that I don't have to duck to be seen in the mirror. Hi everybody, hope you're having a good day. Do have the new tiled shower with the H2O products on the wall, in the dispensers, and the nice new shower heads that have excellent water pressure. So, what do you think?
It's a nice room. I like it. It has a lot of extra space in it that you don't usually get in a hotel room. I don't know if just because we have the corner room or they're all like this. But it's good. I like it.
All right, that's the tour. We'll be giving our review next after we've had a night's sleep. And it's the next morning. As you can see, I am well rested. So I will say that the beds are super comfortable. The air conditioning is really nice because it doesn't have one of those motion sensors, and you can turn it on to the temperature you want it to and it stays there, which is pretty nice. Sometimes the air conditioner's in the room, as you fall asleep and you stop moving, the motion sensor doesn't turn it back on again. And then the room heats up, you wake up and do that. So I will give this resort that. This room, as you can see, including the lovely wife sitting in the corner, we find this room to be super, super spacious. It's really, really nice. I appreciate very much the amount of room we have for everything to move around, to kind of actually, here's an interesting thing. Because the bathroom is tucked back in that corner, we don't actually hear the other person in the bathroom. So if someone uses the toilet in the middle of the night, it doesn't wake anybody up, especially with those power flush toilets that Disney likes to use. And so I find a lot of this room to be very, very nice. Now here's the cons. Building 38 is so far away from everything. It's pretty much one of the, it may not look so on the map, but it's actually, because of the way you have to get here, it's really far away from the main building. The other thing is that when you are looking for ice and you're in a deluxe studio, because we don't have the big fridge with an ice maker in it, we actually have to walk all the way to the bus stop, which is where the ice maker is. Yeah, I mean, like when I discovered that last night, I went, why am I walking this far for an ice machine? Like, but hey, overall though, I do have to say that I like this room. Another con about this room in particular, but not probably about all the rooms, is that the view out the window, and here it is in the daytime while I'm talking about it, is kind of ugly because we're looking straight at like a very unkempt bamboo forest. But in general, I find this room to be really, really nice. I'm glad that we chose to stay here at Oak Key West. I'll probably stay here again on my DVC stay, but I'm going to try to get a different building from this one in particular. Because like even the pool that we are supposed to use is kind of far away. We have to walk like maybe 2 or 3 city blocks, and that's not an exaggeration, to get to the pool. I walked it last night and it took me about 10 minutes. So that's my only thing, is that this room in particular is not in a great spot in the resort, but the room is actually pretty awesome. So hope you liked our room tour and review of the Old Key West Deluxe Studios. If you have any comments about them, leave it down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you could hit the subscribe button, I'd also appreciate that. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're gonna see you real soon. So we say, see ya bye.